Guys, subscribe, support everybody in the community.
Alright guys, so we came here to this meet. I don't know who hosted it, but it's packed and there's like a lot of Hellcats, a lot of Challengers, a lot of Chargers. But we're right here, we set up right there. We have some Mustangs over there, Scats, right here in downtown. It's really packed, there's a lot of cars. Tahoe. I like this 300 a lot though. The boys right there. Got a McLaren there. Sorry, bro. Scat. Clean ass, bro. Challenger. Got this BMW GMC money. I like this Camaro wrap. Mirror. Super. Let's check out the builds. Man, it's so clean. Ain't that around with a squeak drift truck or what? Built this. Custom made splitter. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, alright, man. How you doing, man?
Good. That's your truck?
No, that's my mine's the yellow one.
The yellow one?
Yeah, you know the yellow one. I came out to your meet
Yeah. You barely got here or what?
Yeah. I just want to do a little car club. We're doing this car club, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is my first time coming to this meet. They're clean.
Yeah, they're clean. Yeah, they're
packed.
pretty deep. Yeah.
Damn, I love that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get those lights.
Yeah.
They're clean. Don't change them.
No, I like those. Yeah. My other truck I had before I got this one didn't have them lights.
What you gonna do next to it?
Just put some headers on it, man, and drop it back.
Heck yeah. I dropped mine 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So it's level now.
Okay, yes, yeah, so this one I want, man. I kind of want to leave the front where it is, but I want the back to be level with the front.
Yeah. Gotta check out his build.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna put headers. Yeah. Shout out your IG.
What's up, man? Yellow B 5.7, man. Hit me up.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Unchained Mopars, man. Unchained Mopars too. Check them out.
Yeah. Unchained Mopars. The Super B. I'm gonna get those tail lights too.
Yeah.
I like those tail lights.
And you know, this dude over there, Savage Raps. You know the baby blue Crusher 300 right
over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just talked to him, man. You give me a new B. Take that off and put a whole B on the side.
Oh shoot. It's gonna
Got
be
a little rap shop out in Mesquite, man.
I'm gonna go check him out.
Yeah, pretty good, man.
The Unchained crew right there. I already know. Unchained Mopar. All the way over there, guys. A lot of builds.
Life with Silver, man. It's LYFE with WITH Silver. SILV.
I'll put it right here.
Y'all follow me, man.
Y'all go subscribe to him. And what y'all do on your channel or what, so they can know?
I said just car stuff, man. I do car stuff. I do
Like
stuff
body or like motor?
Nah, it's really just mine, bro. It's some car meets, it's track and stuff. I do stuff with my daughter, man. So it's just simple stuff, man.
Okay, y'all check him out. I really want to see what this Ram has though. Purple Ram. How you doing, sir? What you got done to your Ram? 5.7 cam nitrous or what?
No nitrous, it's NA.
NA stock bottom end.
Yep.
Gotta check it out, guys. Unique Ram right here. Cold air intake.
I'm gonna fixing to do a ring job and plus it's 0.4
Piston rings.
intake on it.
Okay.
They've got a kit. Just bought the kit.
Yeah.
That'll have to change my airbox system up because it'll come out the front.
Yeah. I like it.
It's got all the lights on.
What you gonna do next to it or what? Or that's about
brakes.
it?
Gotta do the brakes next.
You gotta do the brakes. Got a charger right here. All of this are on chain Mopars. Got a kitty. Them 392s. Got the barbecue. Check out this. I like this color a lot. Got the vape. Razor wheels, Texas speed. That's about it, guys. Got the Z06 right here. What you got done to it, man?
Just full bolt on.
Full bolts on, headers, intake. Stock heads?
Yeah,
Stock bottom, man. No spraying. It's badass, bro. Check it out. I like that car. It's badass. Damn, look at this. What's your IG or what so they can follow? It's for my YouTube channel. What's yours? Hey, what is it?
Shit, you give me an _1K Don.
Y'all go follow him. What's yours, bro?
Pains Life, PANES Life.
All right.
Make sure y'all follow me though, man. Guys, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to the channel.
Support.
Yeah.
We gotta support everybody in the community, bro.
Hell yeah.
Everybody.
Let them know where we at.
We in Dallas, bro.
Dallas, Texas. This car clean ass, yeah. It's a Hellcat. Check that out. That old McLaren. How much nitrous y'all pushing? Like 500? 1300. 1300? Oh shoot. This car. How much does it weigh?
It's 2658 with me in it.
Light. 2 parachutes, 2 bottles. How many cylinders do you have? I saw a few.
So it's a fogger system and then a plate system. You just
What car is it?
It's a 1470,
14775.
Poly XP.
Oh, okay.
So it's got the plate.
Electric water pump.
It's got the plate and then just a fogger system. The plate can shoot up to 600. And,
Oh, wow.
the fogger is 700.
2 radiators. Are those custom-made headers or y'all?
Yeah, actually, the guy in the blue that owns it did all the welding and bending for him.
Oh wow. Is there a gasket in there?
What's up?
Is there a gasket in there?
So the heads are O-rings, so you don't actually
crash or something.
To the infinity. I put in like what?
So how much horses is it pushing? Like,
So in A, it's about 1400. And with the spray, you're looking probably about 26,700.
oh shoot. So this car has 26 max. What's your Instagram so they can find y'all right there?
It's Neil.Whitford, WHITFORD.
Y'all go follow them. What y'all gonna do next, or that's it for this build? Or y'all have another build going on, or what?
So we got a 94 pickup that we're putting a 582 in. Also, they have a blower motor on it. That's going back to nitrous. That's gonna be a street driver.
Okay.
And then this is gonna be a street car, not film all.
Right. What transmission y'all running?
It's a BTE Power Glide. It's called a Turbo Glide. So it's
Is it 3-speed or 4-speed?
2-speed.
Oh, 2-speed. Oh, that's
It
below.
was a like a Turbo 400 design that they took third gear out and put an extra pack of clutches to make it grab a little harder. So it's just 2-speed.
Okay. And the diff?
Diff is 4.9 inch.
4.9 custom drive shaft.
Yep.
Okay.
Custom drive shaft from Southwest.
What
Drive
tire
Shaft in Fort Worth.
y'all running on the back?
It's a 32 17.5 wide, 15 by 16.
32, 70. Alrighty. And what year is the car?
It's a 69 RS SSD 28, and it's actually like
Oh, steel.
all steel.
So my batteries are about to die, guys, but the cars we have a Ram right here. We have a few trucks. Crazy. Charger. It's another gray Charger. I've never seen it before. It's clean. Wick 6.1 SRT. SRT.N8.